Hey, it's Scott Young here. In this video, I'm going to tell you about 3 sources of free traffic for your affiliate URL. But before I do, I want to give you a quick heads up on my #1 recommendation for making money online right now. I'm going to drop a link below this video in the description and you can check it out. No pressure. Okay, here's the deal. Even though these are free traffic source ideas, these are not just copy and paste super easy. Free traffic is going to take some time and effort, and it's going to take some time for these free traffic sources to get flowing as you kind of work on them. But don't lose heart. It's not difficult, but you do need to follow a good strategy to turn on these traffic spigots for your website. All right, let's jump into it. The first free traffic resource is SEO, which is search engine optimization. SEO simply means optimizing your website and your blog posts so that they'll rank higher in the search engine results in Google. Now, of course, you want to make sure that you have the basics of SEO right, okay? And then we're going to get into a little bit of a specialized strategy with this. But, the basics of SEO, you can find a lot of checklists out there online of just making sure you got all the little things right with SEO, which are really easy to do. But, you want to put your keyword in your URL. You want to front load your keyword in your title tag, and you want to make sure you mention your keyword in the first 150 words of the blog post. And, just a lot of things, getting your H1, H2, and H3 tags all optimized with keywords. So those are all just kind of the basics, and you can find checklists out there for all that stuff. But here's the thing, as a new website, you're never going to outrank, the big established websites for the main keywords that you're looking to promote, right? So let's say you're in the weight loss niche. I mean, you're never going to outrank, Dr. Oz and all these guys for, weight loss or how to lose 20 pounds. They've totally got that locked in. So the words that get millions of searches every month, you can't even try for those yet because your website doesn't have enough authority to rank for those. But there is something you could still do and still be successful. You need to find low competition keywords that you can actually rank for. Words that maybe only get 1,000 searches every month. So, none of the big guys are even trying to go for those keywords. You can use a free tool like Google Keyword Planner, and you could search for long tail keywords that have very low competition and very low searches each month. Here's why. If you find 10 long tail keywords that are getting about 1,000 searches every month, you make a blog post article specifically about that long tail keyword. And if you do this, you're almost guaranteed to end up in the first page of Google search results because no one else is targeting that long tail keyword yet. Now, if you have 10 articles like this on these low competition keywords and they're each getting about 1,000 searches a month, that's actually 10,000 potential traffic coming your way each month, assuming that, when you write a blog post about these, they're ranking very high in the search results. You're going to capture a lot of those search results and people who are looking for those types of articles. And then imagine if you had 20, 40, 50, or 100 articles like that, each getting 1,000 searches each month. You could see the potential of the cumulative search that is going on around all these articles you've got, and you're ranking high for each one of these on your website. The second free traffic source is YouTube. Now, it's similar to SEO and Google in that regard, but there are different tools that you're going to want to use for YouTube, and you can get just as much traffic from there. The basic strategy is to start a YouTube channel, and you're going to make 3 to 5 minute short videos about low competition keywords, okay? And these are guaranteed to rank in the first 5 search results of YouTube. So here's how we do it. You go to a website like answerthepublic.com or SEMrush or any of these keyword research tools, and you could usually get a lot of results for free. If you want to get a ton of keyword results, you're going to have to pay a little bit, but you could start with the free ones and get some really good ideas. So one of those websites is where you start, and you get a list of some keywords. You don't know if they're good or bad yet, but get a good list of keywords going first in your niche. Next, you're going to want to install an extension in Chrome called TubeBuddy. Now, once you've got TubeBuddy extension installed, you're going to go to YouTube and make sure you're signed in with your channel, okay? Then you're going to open TubeBuddy, and you're going to go to the Keyword Explorer option in TubeBuddy. All right, next, you're going to start plugging in the various keywords that you got from Answer the Public and SEMrush and sites like that. You're going to make sure that you check the weighted results in TubeBuddy. And here's why. The weighted results in TubeBuddy are going to show how well those keywords are going to rank in YouTube search results based on your specific channel's strength and authority. Okay, so it's going to take a look at your channel, whatever videos you've uploaded or not uploaded. You may be brand new at this, but it's going to look at your channel and it's going to say, hey, here's the chances that you're going to rank high for this particular keyword. And even if you're brand new, I guarantee there's a lot of keywords out there that you can rank high for, even if your YouTube channel doesn't have any authority yet. If you get a good weighted score on the TubeBuddy results there for that long tail keyword, I can almost guarantee you're going to be in the top 5 video search results on YouTube, and that's going to result in a lot of traffic. And again, it's not about just posting, 5 or 10 little videos, because just like on the SEO strategy, each one of these videos may get 1,000 searches a month. So, you do want to eventually get 30, 50, 100 videos, and that's where the traffic's really going to snowball for you. Third traffic source is Pinterest. And it's the same concept here as the SEO model, using Google to rank high. But with Pinterest, you've already done all the work of finding the low competition keywords. You've already done all the work of writing the specific blog posts on those low competition keywords, right? So now you're going to boost them using Pinterest. So for each blog post, you need to post 3 or 4 different pins on Pinterest for each of those blog posts. And you may be thinking, wow, I know Pinterest, there are these really nice, graphical pins that you've got to create, and that's going to take forever to do, 3 or 4 per article. But that's where this one tool comes in, Canva.com. You've got to check out Canva.com. On Canva, you can search for their templates. So if you search Pinterest pin, you're going to find 5,355 Pinterest pin templates that are totally ready to go. It's the exact size and proportions and everything that you'd need for posting on Pinterest. And it's all there on Canva.com. You just open a template, edit the text of that template to be relevant to your long tail keyword, to your blog post, and you save it down and you're ready to go. And with 5,300 of these beautiful templates on Canva for Pinterest pins alone, you will never run out of ideas. Now, of course, on your Pinterest pins, you want to make sure that you have your title and your images and your alt text and other aspects of the pin posting that are related to your long tail keyword. You kind of want to optimize your post so that it's all related to that long tail keyword. So that's it. Those are the 3 incredible traffic resources that are totally free. And like I said, if you put your head down and you spend about 3 to 6 months of working on these free traffic sources, you will definitely see a flood of traffic coming into your website. It's going to start as a trickle, of course, but as time goes by, you're going to be feeding the traffic algorithms of these platforms, right? And you'll be rewarded with a boatload of traffic once they actually pick up on what you're doing and see that you're a real content provider on these platforms. So you may be thinking, Scott, this is all great, but this is a lot of information. This is going to take a while. I don't exactly know what to do with this, really. Now, if you feel like you need some extra help on this journey, maybe you need some over-the-shoulder coaching and some help to get these strategies going along, I want you to check out my #1 recommendation for affiliate marketing training and mentorship. It's the training and the mentorship that will absolutely jumpstart you on your journey in affiliate marketing and get you to the success point way faster than you'd ever think possible. It's still going to take hard work. It's going to take consistency. But like I said, if you have the right training and the right mentorship, you can take these free traffic strategies that I'm telling you about, and you'll be able to really get a head start and a jump start on them so that you're going to see results way faster than you would just totally doing it by yourself. So check the link below this video. Of course, no pressure. It's totally up to you, but check it out and see what you think. Take care.